Work has begun on the country's new National Cricket Academy with the BCCI brass, including President Sourav Ganguly and Secretary Jay Shah, laying the foundation stone of the complex on Monday. The BCCI has secured the land on a 99-year lease. Sharing images of the ceremony, Ganguly tweeted, "The new National Cricket Academy starts from today. Laid the foundation stone of the new place today in Bengaluru." The foundation stone was laid in the presence of BCCI Vice President Rajeev Shukla, Treasurer Arun Dhumal, Joint Secretary Jayesh George and NCA Head VVS Laxman. Since the existing NCA's establishment in 2000, it has been running from the premises of the M. Chennaswamy Stadium in the heart of the city. The new facility, which is expected to be ready in a year's time, will have 3 grounds where domestic matches can be held.